everyone, and today video I'm gonna talk about how you can create a sales order in SAP. So this is a SAP GUI, and if you're planning to create a sales order and if you don't know the T code, then it's a VA01. Or if you want to add into your favorite, you can just insert transaction, put the VA01 and click execute. So it will create a favorite here. So just enter VA01 to create sales order, and it will bring you to create sales order document page where you have to choose few options, few fields you have to fill. First is order type, what kind of order you want to create. So I will show you there. Right now we have maintained many different order types in our SAP. So I'm just gonna create the standard sales order. Then sales organization, what kind of sales organization you are using for this sales order. Then distribution channel, what kind of channel, is either B2B, B2C. Division, like what kind of product segment you are using, like are you in medical, you are in chemical, medical, different segments. So which one you're gonna use. And the sales office. So once you fill this information, if you don't know, you can verify with someone who can help you out to know all this information. Then press enter after that. Now, very important thing here, you have to fill few information, other information will fetch by itself. So first and very important field you have to enter information is sold to party, which is your customer ID, you can say, is a customer ID that you have to enter here. And if you don't know, then you can simply search for it. You can search by term, any term, country, postal code, name. So I'm just gonna search by country, CA, Canada, and I have many customer in Canada. So but I'm the one that I'm going to use today is 30040, something like that. You will be having your customer ID. Once you put here, press enter, and it will bring out all information related to the address. If you want to verify address, click on it and you will see the address here. You can change it. I will tell you how you're gonna change. If you want to change the address here, you can see here display header details. Click on that and comes here to partner. Once you click on partner, you will see your ship to party, payer, bill to party, sold to party. For test, I'm using all are same, but in case you will have like there is, for example, bill to party is different and ship to party, you can change here. And you can change the address, whatever address you want to put here, and then click apply entry. It will change some anything, like for example, if I want to change the address, so just execute, you will see the address is changed here. Then go back to the original page because I have to show you. So other information here, you have to put the customer reference. It can be anything related to your sales order, whatever you're creating. I will put 1 2 3 4 5 6, something like that. So if this reference number, you can search in your recipe and it will bring you to this sales order or the sales order that you created with this reference number. So once you're done with this part, now the next part is to enter material, whatever material you're gonna use for your sales order. For example, I'm using this one and I'm using one quantity. After entering quantity, just press the enter, it will fetch detail by itself. Now the main part is you have to put the price, like how you gonna see or how you know what price you're going to use. So to put the price and also other information, you have to double click on the material. You can just double click on the material and it bring you to the material detail. Here sales detail, you don't have to change anything in it. Then shipping is very important. You have to put here 3 field. First is plant, for example I'm using this plant, then the shipping point from where you're going to ship, and the storage location. It's very important. They are default field and you have to enter the information. Once you're done with it, go to condition. So you have to go to condition, and condition page will be something like that. Just put the price here. You see the first column, the price. I'm just putting the $4 and it will turn into green. If it's red, you cannot continue. So I put the $4, then go back to the main page. So you have put it every information which is required to create a sales order. And if you're not sure, like you want to make sure like you have did every information correct or something is missing, you just go to the edit. Here if you can see my cursor, edit, and you come to incomplete log. So when I click complete log, incomplete log is saying my document is complete. So this indicate that you can save the sales order. So I will give you example. It also show you error if I enter another material now. If I'm adding I will add this material to quantity and press enter. Okay, now I will go again incomplete log and check. Yes, see, these are mandatory field which I have to put. Without entering this field I cannot continue my sales order, I cannot save. So these are the field. As I mentioned before also that the shipping is very important. Again, like we can put shipping details, plant, your shipping point from where you're going to ship, and your storage location. Then condition, put the price, just example $5, and then go back. If you check again in complete log, it's saying document is complete. So our sales order is ready to go. So you just have to save, and you see the message sales order 5646 is created. I will copy this to see my sales order. Now just go back to home, and to see the sales order report you have to enter VA05. You can you if you want to add to it favorite to your favorites, VA05. So it's list of sales order. So VA05 will give you all list of sales order, but you want to see the sales order that you created here is 5646. Then execute. Once you enter the sales order, then execute. Okay, division, all this, remove them from here, and then just make everything empty and then execute. Here you see I have the sales order which I created there, and it's showing open because it's not delivered yet, not delivered status. So in this way you can create a sales order, and still if you want to make some changes you can go to sales order and you can try to make any changes whatever you want to, and then you can save again. So I hope I help you in understanding how you can create sales order. If you like, please give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.